Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to do a little unboxing and overview of this collection Saber. May the force be with you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, do you mind doing a little unboxing, a little overview of our Saber, illuminated Saber, aka lightsaber. Who am I to say nobody no way whatsoever this be provided to me affect this review, because I'm just here to keep it real. What all do you get? You get a couple different pieces. I'm going to put them together here shortly. You have this piece here that has the button here that controls basically everything. It slides in here. There is a USB-C port right there. It does come with a USB-C cord to plug it in. And this slides in there like this, and then it screws on. This is a heavy gauge metal, aluminum. I'm not really sure what it is, but it is definitely, I mean, this is heavy gauge. This is not some flimsy plastic or anything like that. This is definitely high quality right out the gate. Very impressive. And then you get the actual blade parts of this to kind of put things in perspective. That's about 3 feet long in length. And then it screws in this way. Screwing it in. And it also comes with locking screws and it looks like a hex wrench that will allow you to tighten it, and so it won't come out. This thing does so much. I'm gonna try to fly through it as fast as possible. Hold it down and you get an audio notification. When you are holding it down, it will flash a couple different times letting you know different settings and how to lock them in. So for example, if you held it down and it flashed twice like that, so you get a full appreciation for what this thing does. This is in a strobe mode, and you can press a button that will flash. So this is just a green color. Then you can turn it off. You can turn it on. You can see here in the strobe mode, there are a variety of different lights. This is orange, that's purple, orange again, pink, blue, another blue, red, green, yellow, aqua blue, a variety of different colors. I mean, this is like pretty awesome. This is pretty awesome. So from a changing the setting standpoint, so here you can make it solid, which is just super awesome. With the press of a button right here, this illuminated button, very cool. This is in that like throbbing. You can see it's like a heartbeat. It's going up. It's like getting brighter and then not as bright. Again, you can change the colors manually like this. And this is with no audio. So there's no audio right now in this particular setting. Very cool. This is in the solid color, so now it's not in that throbbing. I mean, this thing is just like awesome. I mean, this thing, this is like the brightest lightsaber that I think I've ever seen. This is so cool, so cool. You can change the colors. Again, this is in that solid mode. And then you can have the audio. So it has this humming sound, but then when you move it, that is awesome. That's another audio mode. That's another audio sound. Very cool. That's a different sound. Anakin. So then it gave you the name Anakin. And so it's almost like each name of a character has its own sound. Let's change another one. See, that sounds even different. So it's like you could change the setting to be a different character within the movie, and then the audio changes with it. This is crazy. And then you can have music playing. You could have it playing when you're doing this. You could also change the colors. You could just have it play like that. That's another audio tone. I mean, there's just so many settings I can't even cover them all in this video.
Is this training? My training? No. Always training. The universe is.
And then there's more music styles. Just tons of different movie-related music and audio. All right, so for clarification, the actual illuminated part is 30 inches long, and the metal part right here, the handle, is 11 inches long. So if you're looking for a high-quality, fully interactive, light Saber that has movement like this, you can change the colors, you can change strobing effects, you have audio sounds from the movies and music from the movies. This is legit. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.